right, good morning, guys. Welcome to this week. So, we are looking at the week of September 9th. So, if you are in your course, and I'm just going to go to your course for you. So, if you're in your course, this is what your homepage looks like. And you have listed on your right hand side the things that you are to do this week. But just to help you out, I know that you guys are in your class 3 days this week. So, if you go to the announcements, take a look at your announcement for this week. And you will see your suggested pacing for this week. So you have day 1, day 2, and day 3. So just depending on which cycle or which group you're in. So your first day in class, you will complete the Unit 3 Lesson 1 assignment, Unit 3 Lesson 2 assignment, Unit 3 Lesson 3 assignment, and Unit 3 Lesson 4 assignment. So these are the items that you will complete on day 1. In order to find these items, I recommend you always go to the module. So once you go to your modules, you want to scroll down to Unit 3. So here's Unit 1. You guys also have the option, once you're done with your unit, you can click on the down arrow to make it collapse. You can do the same thing for Unit 2, and that way you can get to Unit 3 quicker. So once you're here, to Unit 3, you want to make sure that you start from the very beginning of the unit. Do not go straight to your assignment without going through the items in your unit first, because you will not receive full credit. So make sure that you go through, you look at the title, the summary, the objectives that you're expected to learn during this unit, and then read thoroughly through Lesson 1. And once you're done with Lesson 1, you want to go here to Unit 3, Lesson 1. This is your assignment. And you know that it's an assignment because of the little paper with the pencil next to it. So you want to go there, make sure that you are thoroughly explaining what you have gathered from reading Lesson 1. Okay, make sure you are using correct grammar. Make sure that you are using correct format. So you want to make sure that everything is in a sentence form, and make sure you give me a full summary. So give me a beginning, give me a middle, and then give me an ending. So there should be at least 3 paragraphs within your summary, and each paragraph should contain 3 to 5 sentences. If you have any questions, please let me know.